சொல்லுங்கள். தமிழில் கொஞ்சம் அப்படியே பேசுங்க, நான் யூடியூப்பில் போடுறேன். கொஞ்சம் தமிழில் பேசுங்க, இல்லைடா அப்படியே தெலுங்கு. என்ன தெலுங்கு தெரியுமா? அவர் தெலுங்குలో பேசுங்க. తెలుగు మంచిగా తెలుసు.
ఇది హ్యూమన్ డేటెడ్ లాంచ్ వెహికల్. ఈ లాంచ్ వెహికల్ హ్యూమన్స్ ని స్పేస్ లో తీసుకెళ్ళడానికి ఇస్రో డెవలప్ చేసింది. దిస్ బేసికల్ లాంచ్ వెహికల్ దీన్ని మాక్ 3 అంటారు. దీంట్లో అడిషనల్ టు మాక్ 3 ఏంటంటే శాటిలైట్ 36,000 కిలోమీటర్స్ తీసుకెళ్ళి జీటీఓ ఆర్బిట్లో పెడుతుంది. ఇది హ్యూమన్ డేటెడ్ లాంచ్ వెహికల్. మనుషుల్ని 11 టన్స్ కేపబిలిటీ ఆఫ్ సిస్టమ్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ 11 టన్స్లో 4 పీపుల్స్ ఆస్ట్రోనాట్స్ ఆర్ గగనర్స్ ఇండియాలో ఉంటారు. దాన్ని ఆ గగనర్స్ని 300 to 400 కిలోమీటర్స్ ఆర్బిట్ అరౌండ్లో 4 days వరకు లైఫ్ సపోర్టింగ్ సిస్టమ్తో సేఫ్గా తీసుకెళ్ళి రిటర్న్ చేసే ఫ్యూచర్స్ అన్నీ ఈ క్రూ ఎస్కేప్ సిస్టమ్ క్రూ మోడల్లో ఉంటాయి. దీంట్లో అడిషనల్ సేఫ్టీ ఫ్యూచర్ ఆఫ్ ది క్రూ మోడల్ ఏంటంటే దీనికి పైన కూడా 4 రాకెట్స్ ఉంటాయి. లోయర్ ఆటిట్యూడ్ అండ్ హైయర్ ఆటిట్యూడ్ ఎస్కేప్ సిస్టమ్. If rocket ascending or like final
automatically you go to the English. No problem. Carry on.
Even like any damaging things happen to bottom rocket, apu top rocket fly crew escape ni safe distance ki తీసుకెళ్ళి వాళ్ళని ల్యాండ్ చేస్తుంది వాటర్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ 100% హ్యూమన్ రేటెడ్. లైక్ ఎందుకంటే దాన్ని
it is reusable or not reusable?
Single time usage.
Single time usage
with the re-entry facility also.
I think the Elon Musk made the
reusable launch vehicle. This is single time usage.
ISRO can try to the reusable rocket.
Yeah, that is somewhat like costly one. Yeah, to recovery and everything on Indian soil it can be done. Futuristic it will be developed.
Okay.
Configuration to ఇది ఫ్యూచర్ ఇంకా 10 years లో reusable vehicle landing, flashing, రీలోడింగ్ అన్ని చేసుకోవచ్చు. దీంట్లో ఉన్న బేసిక్ క్రూ మోడల్ ఇది ఒక మోడల్. ఇది దీంట్లో వచ్చేసి డీటెయిల్గా మీ క్రూ ఎలా క్యాప్సూల్ ఎలా మనుషులు దే విల్ బి సిట్టింగ్ అండ్ ఆపరేటింగ్ ద సిస్టమ్ సిమ్యులేట్ కండిషన్లో ఉంటారు ఇక్కడ. టు టేక్ ఫ్రమ్
how many members are capacity? 4 people capacity.
So this basically it will be like Kindle crew escape supporting system undi.
Desert landing or sea water class
with the help of parachute parachute unde main drogue.
What is the material of the parachute? Kelvin material 49.3. Geron fiber and Kelvar 49 fiber. He is my daughter, interested in astrophysics. He is doing as a 4th year in physics in Government Women's College, Madurai.
Happy to see you. So this is one of the launch vehicles. So you have made a study in solid boosters. So this is Mark 3 is the solid booster. Basically 200 tons of solid booster either side. Then in addition to this one 110 tons of liquid methane and into 4 and mark. So both will be there. And this is cryogenic stage. With liquid hydrogen, liquid oxygen, 32 tons capacity. So basically it is a Mark 3 version. In place of heat shield, they have kept a crew model system. It can take 11 tons of payload to lower Earth orbit, 300 to 400 kilometers. So and the crew module is capable of 4 days survival over that lower Earth orbit and re-entry capacity also. So what lower entry in the mode of landing, water class, not landing, water class. So it is the main feature of this one is to safety. One of the safety features of this one is crew escape system, which if any during ascending phase or countdown phase any mishap happening means we have to protect the crew. In that case we have to fire a rocket over the crew. So it will take in a fraction of seconds a safe distance like 25 kilometers in altitude of 5 kilometers. In short duration it can be like same drone like Sarah told no parachute model, same really flash in a.
Okay, very.
It is a model of that. So all you may be knowing the suppression system and everything. So this basically symbol will be there, sir. Like this is a nozzle now. So like if you are going in this
solid or gas?
No, this is solid. You want to make it.
What materials used in the solid? Aluminum. Okay. Aluminum metal oxide.
PVP binder. Aluminum powder.
Metal oxide. Okay.
So then this is having a S200 this is having gas, madam,
Gas.
which will deflect the fumes inside. If you nozzle, then that nozzle will be gimbal. So that will that will tilt the rocket to the liquid trajectory. So this is engine liquid engine. No, it can be tilted by its own gases.
There is a two type of rocket booster, one gas effect, one solid effect. That's
Solid.
it.
This is solid one.
This is.
You can see. This is solid. This is
So
liquid.
what is the benefit of the solid or gas?
Sir, solid is having a high thrust rate.
High
Thrust.
Too cost.
Good cost. And liquid is having controllability, like on-off features in it. And apart from that one, specific impulse work energy to mass ratio will be very good.
The cooling is very costly. Cooling technology very costly. Point.
Like cryogenic engine, we have taken 20 years to
20
develop.
years.
The technology is also very good.
We are capable. Now. We are not surrendered at the ISRO and the NASA. We can surrender at the American. We self-interested.
And we have helped 65 countries put their satellites into the orbit.
Not need Russia. Not need
No,
America.
Tesla initially helped.
Initially, basically.
Initially helped to develop.
But sir, but
We have
some.
given 6 stages, sir, cryogenic stages. We have 12 tons capacity. Now we are at 32 tons capacity. And now recently we are developing the semi-cryogenic.
Semi.
With all locks and within.
10 days before the
Indian test firing USA.
2.5 second success. 2.5 second, இல்லையா? 2.5 செகண்டுக்கு ரிசர்ச் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க.
You please visit our ISRO center.
Okay.
டெல்லி பாப் சார்.
இல்ல ISRO சென்டர் ஸ்ரீஹரிகோட்டா வாங்கன்னு சொல்றாங்க.
ஓ ஸ்ரீஹரிகோட்டா. ஓ ஆந்திரா.
So 45 like from here 500 kilometers.
Oh, right, okay. Thank you, sir. Very much, very glad.
You will have